This is a 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, side curtain airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Starkey Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 422 Route 1 in York.